Insurance claim. ఏదో ప్రమాదం జరిగింది, హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ మనకు డబ్బిస్తుంది. ఈ వివరాలేమిటో ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలుసుకుందాం రండి. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ డబ్బు పొందడం. సాగర్ ఇప్పుడే హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి ఇంటికి వచ్చాడు. అతను తన మెడికల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ డబ్బు తీసుకోవాలనుకున్నాడు. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఏజెంట్ అయిన ఫ్రెండ్ కరణ్ తో ఈ విషయం గురించి సంభాషించాడు.
హాయ్ కరణ్.
హాయ్ సాగర్. So you're back from the hospital now. Nice to see you. How are you feeling now?
I came from hospital a week ago. I'm fine now.
Thank God you are safe and good as before.
Yes, by God's grace I'm okay now. Hey, but do you remember I have taken medical insurance policy from you?
Yes, of course.
I want to claim for insurance. I was in the hospital for 15 days.
Why did you not use the cashless scheme?
My brother told me not to go for it. So I paid my bills and now I want to go for it.
No problem. Have you kept all the invoices intact?
Yes, I have made a separate file for it. It has all my reports, medicine bills, hospital bills, everything.
Don't worry. I will look into the matter personally. You will get all the claimed amount.
How much time does it take?
I think you will get the check from the insurance company within 15 days.
I hope the case will be trouble-free.
Don't worry at all. I'm here to handle everything.
Thanks, Karan. I think I should leave now.
No way. I won't let you go without having dinner.
Some other day, please.
I will not agree to any reasons. We are celebrating for your health. Don't say no.
Okay. You will never change. Let's go.